Your ship sailed out at dawn, and the sun wouldn't rise. A sky filled with stars fell like tears from my eyes. I reached out to touch the horizon of day, but all disappeared when I took you away. I can't let go of losing you, broken into this heart of glass. What will I do? Can someone mend this broken heart of glass? Now the shore of my life has been scattered with stones so heavy to live when you're left all alone. The birds flying by, winging for other skies. My soul frozen fast hears their echoing cries. I can't let go of losing you, broken into this heart of glass. What will I do? Can someone mend this broken heart of glass? When the sun goes down red and the night will not end, from the depths of my bed I feel earth closing in. How long can this last? Spring continues to grieve, even when seasons pass. Thoughts of